Can, like you can see, I can. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. You can see, and it's nice. It's wonderful. This is what we are talking about. Very nice. I'm telling you, it's made full of honey. If you take it, you can feel the taste. Grafted, crafted from here in Lira. We are promoting farmers. We are promoting value addition, and we are telling our people take this wine because this wine is locally made from here. This one without chemical. We consider the health of people, and that's why I come up to do this. I'm not targeting only money, but I'm targeting the health of people. So that's why I can give you my contact. My contact, if you want to order for this, my contact is 077 or plus 256 772 933 600. So let me repeat 0772 933 600. You can call me. My name is Geoffrey Obia. You can get me in Lira Main Market. Our lockup is number 421. So you can come upstairs in Lira Main Market and you get us here in Lira Main Market. That's where we are crafting this wonderful wine with a wonderful taste. Everybody who take this wine is our customer. I just pray the moment you take it, you become a customer automatic because the taste is great. So that's what I can tell you for now. But I'm telling you, this is something I can say is a new innovation, something wonderful, something great. And we are also inviting, if you want to be part of it, you can invest. You can invest in this wine. Invest and you will be partner of this great wine. We can work together. You can give me, you can call me, and you invest in this wine, and we make it a big company. You see, and this company will produce more greater wine, and the wine which is make a difference from what people are taking here in Lira here. I've tasted many wines, but it's not what we are talking about here. So I welcome you to Lira. I welcome you to Lira Main Market. I welcome you to our new wine. And order more, we will be with you. God be blessed. God bless you.